Hi, this is Mr. H, and today we're going to count and clap line 1 of the level 1 rhythms. First, I'll demonstrate. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Were you able to follow along? If not, go back and rewatch the video. If so, it's your turn to try it. The metronome will click 4 times and then begin. Ready, go. If you need a little more practice on this, you can just rewind the video and try again, or you can keep watching and we will go over this line one measure at a time. We're going to count and clap the level 1 rhythms now. We'll go one measure at a time. So let's look at the first measure. And if you need to review counting and clapping, you might want to just look at my separate video for that. But we'll go pretty much from the beginning here. So the first part of counting and clapping is you need to keep a beat. And we keep a beat by counting numbers. So there's 4 quarter notes in each measure. Our counting will be 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we just clap if there's a note there. So here we go. We're going to count and clap the first measure. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's the first measure. Let's take a look now at the second measure. We're looking at measure 2 now, and there's 4 quarter notes here. So again, we're just going to write down each quarter note, and we'll count the quarter notes, or we'll count the beat. But in this measure, there's a tie. So when there's a tie, we only clap on the first beat of the tie, right here. And when we get to 2, because it's connected, we don't clap on that. So what's going to happen is we're going to clap on counts 1, we're going to clap on 3, and we're going to clap on 4. Let's give it a try. 1, 2, ready, start. 1, 2, 3, 4. If you'd like to pause the video here and try it yourself, go ahead. We will now move ahead to the third measure. So this is measure 3, line 1. You'll notice that the tie now is in the middle of the measure. There's still 4 quarter notes, so we count our 4 quarter notes the same way, and we'll clap on each of the numbers, except because of the tie, we don't clap on count 3. So we'll clap on 1, 2, and 4. We'll still count 3, but we don't clap on it because of the tie. Let's try it. 1, 2, ready, start. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, you might pause the video here and try it yourself if you need a little more practice. Let's look at the fourth measure. So there's 4 quarter notes here. The tie has moved to beats 3 and 4. So we will clap on 1, 2, 3, but not 4, because of the tie. Let's try it. 1, 2, ready, start. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, how did you do? So now that we've figured out all 4 measures, we're going to need to put this together as an entire line of music. So I like to work backwards. We've just done the last measure, so what I'd like to do is the last 2 measures because I like to work backwards. Let's try it. 1, 2, ready, start. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And if we back it up a little bit more, we'll start on measure 2 now and go all the way to the end. Ready, start. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And let's go ahead and try the whole line from the beginning. Ready, start. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we've written in all the counting and we've circled the counts that we're going to clap on, but that's something that you can do on your own also. So if you're able to figure this out on your own, go ahead and do it. In the end though, we should be able to do this without anything written down. So we're going to try it one more time. This time we'll put on a metronome. And the metronome is going to help us keep a beat. And I actually would like to hear you try this first on your own. So the metronome is going to be set to 90, counting this time. And let's see if you can do this. So we'll let it click 4 times and then you go ahead and try it by yourself. Ready, go. All right, did you get it? Let's try it one more time. This time I'll clap along with you. 1, 2, ready, start. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And finally, the metronome has a setting where it will count numbers. And if you go to settings, it's tone number 13. So we're going to let the metronome do the counting this time. And let's see if you can do this.
1, 2, 3.
Ready,
4.
go.
1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay. At any point, you can stop the video and rewind it and just practice small parts. So I hope this helped you learn to count and clap the level 1 rhythms, and we'll see you next time.